Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Moorish Cuisine. It's holiday season. This time of year, I usually send some goodies to our neighbors, some co-workers and girls school teacher, and today I am baking some chocolate chip cookies. I already shared this recipe with you guys way back on my blog post, but it doesn't have a video, so since I was making, I thought to make a quick video and share it with you guys today. This recipe turns out so delicious. They are gourmet cookies, buttery, soft, delicious, that girls decided to make these cookies for their school event, Savvy Business Kids, and they sell these cookies at the event and they were hit. And girls already made the video on their channel, The Ease, and I will link that down below for you guys as well.
We're making chocolate chip cookies. I know that all you kids love cookies. You kids love chocolate chip cookies! And do try this recipe. This is my mom's best recipe.
So first, in a stand mixing bowl, I'm adding softened butter. You can make this recipe with a hand mixer as well. And you can see a little bit of extra butter because I was making double batches. Now I'm adding some brown sugar and regular white granulated sugar in a mixing bowl, and then start mixing with the paddle attachment for like a minute or two, or until your mixture is completely combined and fluffy. Then I scrape the sides, and now I'll be adding an egg with some vanilla essence and start mixing again on a medium speed until egg and vanilla is completely mixed through with the butter and sugar mixture. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients. You can sift the ingredients before in a separate bowl, or I am adding some sifted flour with some baking soda and salt, and on the lowest setting of your mixture, just mix until flour is completely mixed through. Then scrape the sides again, mix thoroughly, and then it's time to add our chocolate chip. I divided my batter into two bowls because I am making some regular chocolate chip cookies and holiday chocolate chips cookies. So just add the chocolate chip and fold the chocolate chips in with the spatula. And since I was making the holiday one as well, so in the other bowl I am adding some holiday chocolate chip, which are red, green, and then regular chocolate chips. Then take a cookie sheet, line it with some parchment paper, and then drop the cookies with the spoon. So it doesn't have to be like circle because they are drop cookies. It doesn't have to be but because I was making as a treat, so I'm making a little smaller. Usually they are made in a bigger size. Then I'm putting in the oven, which is preheated on 375 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes until the edges are getting a little browner. So your cookies are here. Just leave it on the sheet for like a minute, and then transfer them onto a wire rag and enjoy warm with a cup of milk. Since I was packing them to give away, so I bought these treat bags from Walmart. It has everything with the tag and the twine, and I bought these gift bags as well. They were just 27 cents at Walmart. So I bought these as well to put everything in the bag for easy handling. And then I'm just packing all the cookies. It came with a twine as well and a gift tag, and I put the details of the ingredients on a tag, so if anybody is allergic, so they know what goes in this recipe. Then this is how I packed all those cookies, and they are ready for our co-workers, neighbors, and girls school teacher. And I add a little letter alongside with that every year, and a letter just have a holiday greetings or family details and why Muslims are supporting this holiday as well. I will leave all those details in my blog post as well. You can copy the letter as well. And these cookies turn out so delicious that I know someone who do cake and cookie business, and she following the same recipe which I'm sharing with you guys today. And let's go and see what kids' verdict are on these cookies.
Thumbs up and a foot. 2 thumbs up into it. We eating breakfast with a cup of milk. See you next time. Bye. Bye.
So if you are trying this recipe at home as well, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more videos like this.